Hi, my name is Purvis, and this is my reflection for EDEV 202. In this unit, I honestly learned a lot. I didn't just learn definition. I actually changed the way I look at children's behavior and their needs. So today I'm going to talk about 5 things that really helped me. The first thing and the biggest part is autism, which I which I learned about. Before this, I just only had a few ideas, like basic ideas. But in week 4, when we went through communication needs and sensory overload, something just hit in my head. I didn't realize how loud noise and too many people or fast routines can completely overwhelm a child with autism, and the way all the slides explained about repetitive behaviors, it made me sense. It's not about misbehaving, it's just the way they cope up with. I also learned that pictures or video, that visual things are helping a lot, and it is like much more easier for them to understand. The second thing I learned about ADHD and ODD. Honestly, this topic helped me calm my own thinking about behavior. ADHD is not just a child can sit still. Their brain is moving fast and they need support, not judgment. In week 6, our lecture slide just explained how breaking tasks into small and giving them the movement break for all the process, all the steps. And ODD was something I didn't know much about. I always thought it meant a child was naughty or something like that, but it's not fair. Sometimes they are just overwhelmed, frustrated, or don't know how to express their feelings. But this unit taught me to look beyond the behavior and try to understand all the reason behind it. And the most important thing, I guess, this is teamwork. In early childhood education is not for one person job. In week 3 and week 8 showed how many people can be involved in supporting one child, like families, educators, OTs, OTS, speech therapist, psychologist. Everyone plays an important role, and as the educator, we are not supposed to fix everything alone. Sometimes our job is just to follow all the strategies and plan and keep things consistent. This made me this made me a huge respect for teamwork in early childhood education. I didn't know about that much. And the fourth thing is mental health in young children. It was really surprising for me because I never thought about how this anxiety or emotional overload, where I thought about it just were about only for older people. But in week 8, when you learn about sign and young children, I realized it's already there. Some children show it through clinginess, tummy ache, or avoiding activities. Other might just shut down quietly. It made me think differently about small behaviors, and I used to ignore. The biggest learning here was that children need to feel safe first. Learning comes after. My own growth as a learner, the last thing I want to reflect is my own growth. This unit wasn't easy at times, but it changed me. I started seeing the child, not the behavior. I learned how to look deeper, ask better questions, and be more patient. I work with IPS, IEPS, and behavior plans. These also help me understand how much planning goes into supporting a child for additional needs. I can feel the difference myself in the way I think and the way I understand children behavior now. That's probably the biggest learning for my this unit. So thank you so much for listening this.